Hi, I'm Jacqui. I'm from Hobart in Tasmania, and this morning we're going kayaking on the River Derwent. The practicalities though of carrying a hardshell kayak, particularly, I'm a fairly short person, getting it on and off roof racks, very difficult. Seeing my friends that had the inflatables that you could just sort of fold down, throw in the back of the car is fantastic. I think the big one for me was weight. I needed to be able to carry it. Generally I'm kayaking with friends, and so, there's someone to pick up the other end, which is great. But I do sometimes like to go out by myself as well. So it's really nice knowing that I can manage it all by myself. I can get it in and out of the car, inflate it, carry it to the water if I'm not parked near the water without damaging myself. It makes it nice and easy. Some people were like, oh, an inflatable kayak, they're not very robust. They're not very, they're like a bath toy sort of thing. These kayaks aren't like that. They're very robust in the water. They're very stable. That was the other thing. I'm, not an expert paddler by any means. So I do like knowing that I'm very unlikely to fall out of the kayak. My first kayak that I bought was the Sports Elite model because I really wanted, like I said, the lightweight. I think less than 13 kilos. I've got the hard floor, so I think it rounds it up to around 13 kilos. I was really just planning on day paddles and things, just casual paddles, go out for a couple of hours here and there. I didn't think for 1 minute that I would be doing overnight paddling, but then I got invited along on a trip with two other friends that also have inflatables to paddle on the Murray River, and I did that last year, and all of a sudden I've got a second kayak in the mail. So now I've got two kayaks. I've got the Sports Elite and I've got the Expedition Elite. I really like having both. I did take the Expedition on a 2-week trip on the Murray, so I had enough camping gear, food and everything for a 2-week trip, including water and everything, which was fantastic. It was really comfortable. I've got a van. It's not a proper camper van as such. It's not fitted out like with gas and all the rest of it. I do have a bed in it. I sort of got that set up so that I can slide a kayak underneath for when I'm travelling. I did do a bit of a trip around South Coast, New South Wales last year, just by myself, and I took my Expedition with me. It's really handy travelling in a van like that and knowing that I can just lock the van up, and because I also like to do a bit of bushwalking, I can have everything secure in the van, have the kayak, and you can't even see it's in there because it's under the bed. Have everything safe in the van. I've bought both of my inflatable kayaks from Oz Inflatables in Brisbane. I found the website's fantastic. I love all the videos that are on there that demonstrate various things. I've had a few phone interactions. It's good to know that there's someone with all that experience that can sort of help advise, knowing that we've all got slightly different needs. Also, the considerations, we're all different shapes and sizes, some taller friends, some heavier friends. It's very easy to get advice on which is the best kayak for you. If you're thinking about buying an inflatable, I would definitely get in contact with the team at Oz Inflatables. As far as ordering, I think my inflatable came within a few days, which was very exciting. You really get the feeling that they want you just to get out on the water. It's not about being amazing or fast or speedy or anything like that. The whole point is to just get out on the water and enjoy yourself in your kayak.